Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here. We got Lindsay. It's still kind of early. It's 4:30, and we're on the way to Florida. So let's go ahead and get on the road. Hope you can hold it. Why you didn't go when I went?
I didn't have to go then. And how was I supposed to know that it was going to be a little rinky-dink gas station?
Well, just because it says Shell doesn't mean, like, look where we at.
That's a pretty house.
I mean, that is a nice house, but still. But I knew when they was saying it was like 2.3 miles.
That added 20 minutes to our time.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What the heck are those? Are those turkeys?
There might be.
What the heck? Excuse me, sir. Sir, I need to get by you.
You know where the bathroom is?
What in the world? Where are we? Oh, that's a pretty house.
Oh yeah, nice house.
That's a state trooper. Whew.
A few moments later.
So we got pulled over. And let me just say something. Go ahead and say it. State troopers what?
Show no mercy. That's what I told you when I noticed him.
Alright, so I'm not gonna lie. We was doing a little over. But we was doing like 2 miles over. So he came behind us, pulled us over, and we pulled over, and being nice like we normally do. And he said, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" And honestly, I was like, I don't know. It's kind of petty getting pulled over for 2 miles over. He said, "I pulled you over because it took you too long to get back over into the right lane because we was in the left lane because he had somebody pulled over." I understand that, the fast lane is for emergency vehicles and if you had to get over for passing. But I mean, there was people in this lane that we was passing because they was going slower because they saw the state trooper. You know what I mean? He gave us a warning, but it literally like added like 45 more minutes to our time. So the cop was cool, so he kind of just like let us off with a warning. I think he was just checking to make sure we wasn't doing anything we ain't got no business doing. But I mean, come on. I don't see how we can lie about going to Florida when we have suitcases back there. But yeah, on the way to Florida. Sorry.
It's twisty, turny, and it's not making me feel good.
Usually I get car sick. Why are you getting car sick?
We got pulled over and somebody walked in on me in the bathroom.
Yeah, we had a rough trip.
something in my head. Look, I'm tired, okay? I had 2 hours of sleep. I'm tired. No, but for real though.
I'm sorry y'all had to hear that.
No, but for real though, that is a really pretty color. I really do like that color.
We made it. Turn it down to what? Hold on.
70?
Oh. What you doing? Oh Lord. Now I'm looking at myself. And all the cop cars. Oh, look at that.
Cop cars?
Yep, all the cop cars.
Hi, kitty.
Alright guys, we're about to go meet up with Horseplay. I forgot my thing. My little handle thing.
It's mine. At home?
No.
Oh.
But yeah, let's go ahead and meet him real quick. We about to go get something to eat. Talk about plans for tomorrow. And we're gonna have some fun. Ain't that right?
I hope so. All this better be worth it.
I'll explain when we get back. Oh man guys, what is going on today? The Creator here, back with another video. We got 2 valve right here. We also got Horseplay right here. As you know, Horseplay wanted to give away on this channel. So I decided to meet him all the way down in Florida.
12-hour drive. Appreciate it.
12-hour drive just to meet him.
Well, I mean, there's other Mustangs here. You know.
Yeah, there's other Mustangs here, but hey. Hey. It was worth it. But now I gotta go ride in this thing.